carrot top potato pesto salad. My loves, it's your girl Gabrielle Reyes. We are up in the kitchen creating a recipe that celebrates Earth Day every single day. Y'all know me as one great vegan, so of course we are creating something that is vibrantly vegan up in the kitchen today, my loves. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some fierce pesto potato salad.
Looking for a recipe that's zero waste and right. Carrot top potato pesto salad. Chop off the carrot greens, then process together. Lemon zest and herbs and cashews. Add in plain butter. Pesto is ready. Boil up the vegetables. Mix in celery sauce and mayo. Flavor is a festival. Carrot top potato pesto salad.
So y'all, this recipe celebrates the earth with flavor, with texture, and also with all of the ingredients that are going inside. The first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna make sure that our potatoes are boiling on up. And I actually have rainbow potatoes. Ooh, so we got purple, we got red, we got white potatoes. And the key to making sure that this tastes incredible is I actually have some sage and some thyme all up in there. Put it in some twine and then dip it into your water, and y'all, that flavor is going to infuse into those potatoes, and this is key, okay? So make sure you're boiling up your potatoes. The best thing you're gonna wanna do is actually line up all of your carrots and then just chop them as close to the carrot top green as possible. We're just gonna throw these little pieces of carrots into our pesto because it's gonna taste fabulous. It's gonna be all integrated and delicious. So then I'm just gonna chop this up, chop up your greens, and then this is gonna be one of the base flavors that we're gonna add into our perfect pesto. So let's add this into our food processor, and then we're gonna leave these carrots off to the side. We're gonna chop those up and get them boiling in just a little bit. But first, we're gonna work on that pesto. So I got my carrot greens in my food processor. The other ingredients you're gonna need are some spinach, baby. This is gonna add more hearty greenery in there and really give it a deep color. Ooh, and also, of course, vitamins and minerals. Ooh, oh, oh, vitamins and minerals in greens. I also have myself some chives or green onion. It doesn't really matter. They're both gonna be fabulous and flavorful. And let's see, oh, y'all, mint, baby, mint, whoa, mint, baby, mint. We got ourselves some fresh mint. This is key in this pesto. So I'm adding in about 1/4 cup of all of my delicious ingredients. And then I have some fresh garlic cloves. Check it out. I have about 4 or 5 of my fresh garlic. Add that into your food processor. And then to get it nice and creamy and pesto-tacular, I have some soaked raw cashews. Now, if you're allergic to cashews, that's okay and that's all right. You can use pine nuts, or if you want to, you can use full-fat coconut milk that's been in the refrigerator, so it's been nice and solidified. But today, I'm not allergic to cashews, so I'm gonna be adding in about 1 cup of some soaked raw cashews. Next, we're gonna add in some fresh lemon juice as well as some fresh lemon zest. So let's add in that lemon zest, nice and fresh. About 1 to 2 teaspoons is perfect. That lemon zest, yes, girl, get in there. Oh, she is fresh. Oh, I love the smell of fresh lemon. Next, let's add in a splash of some lemon juice. As much juice as possible. Salt and pepper, my loves. I would say you don't need any more than 2 teaspoons in this because you don't need it too salty. There's also gonna be some salt coming in from that vegan mayonnaise or hummus or whatever you are using. So let's add in a sprinkle of some fresh pepper as well. And same thing, salt and pepper to taste, my loves. Vegan butter. Vegan butter. Y'all know I'm obsessed with vegan butter. Hey, y'all, our pesto is ready and she is smelling all kinds of fabulous. I might get myself a little taste right here, right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why is it so good? So what I'm doing is I'm just halving the carrots and then I'm chopping them again into smaller little bite-sized morsels about that big. You see that? Y'all, check out these carrots I just chopped up. Now I'm gonna add them into my boiling hot water and then it's time to add everything together, my loves. Ooh, 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 ding, 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 ding. There she goes. I have some Dijon mustard right here. You can also use mustard powder if you want to. I also have some soy-free vegan mayonnaise. This is from Follow Your Heart brand. And I'm gonna be using about equal amounts of both. This is really gonna create a nice creaminess to this whole dish. But if you don't have vegan mayonnaise, that's okay and that's all right. You can use hummus as well. It still adds that nice creamy texture to it. So let's add these both inside. Get in there. Check it out, check it out. We have our potatoes and our carrots all boiled up. And as you can see, there are little bits of thyme that are still stuck and infused into all those potatoes, my loves. So that's why you gotta make sure you boil it up with that thyme and that sage. Is I'm just gonna add all of my ingredients back into my pot and make sure, oh yes, make sure this is all combined and fully coated with all of that sauce and pesto. All right, let's mix this all together. I can see that pesto fully coating and covering all of my vegetables. Oh my goodness, and it smells radical up in my kitchen, y'all. Before we finish off this recipe, we gotta add in a little bit of crunch from some celery too. So as you can see, I have some chopped up celery. I would say about 1/2 cup is perfectly fine, and then combine it all together, my loves. Y'all, look at this. We just made this. So easy, so delicious. Oh, I'm getting a nice little arm workout. Ooh, this is the new workout of 2021, I've decided. Ooh. And I take a bite, every time, I'm gonna start doing it. Y'all gotta see a TikTok video of how one great vegan works out. Everything, she's just eating the food. A little bit of freshness on top is always what you need. Okay, y'all, it's about time. I ain't playing these games no more with y'all. Let's dig on in. I want to get a little bit of everything. Got myself some potatoes, some carrots, some pesto. Y'all, wow, I had such an incredible time just making this. I mean, it was so fun. It was so delicious. It was so vibrantly green, and I love creating recipes that are 100% sustainable and zero waste. My loves, I cannot wait to see y'all up in my kitchen next Saturday, cooking, vibing, doing what we do. Again, I'm gonna be teaching a really fun live stream cooking class with Tastemade on Tuesday and on Thursday of this upcoming week. So be sure to follow me for more information about that. And if you're looking for more radically rainbow-tastic recipes, just like this one, you can go get my musical cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with me, Gabrielle Reyes, at onegreatvegan.com. Or honestly, you can just find me at Gabrielle Reyes, type it in on Google, and I guarantee she will come up. I truly hope that y'all make this recipe with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Every single person in your life deserves to dig on into this delicious treat. And while you're doing that, don't forget to sing your song, do your dance, and speak your truth, my loves. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.